Quarantine is my new best friend. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Locked away, I can't go nowhere. Surely Netflix and food shall comfort I this entire time. Envy no one who lives in foreign lands, for this quarantine has spread straight to the motherland. Work from home, they tell me, but do I have the tools? It's worse if you have children. Better learn to homeschool.
Want to come out. I want to come out. I want to come out.
My head, it hurt me, and my fridge's almost empty. Surely goodness and mercy shall fill the gap till I get to the shop. Work from home, they tell me, but do I have the tools? It's worse if you have children. Better learn to homeschool. Locked away, COVID-19 has me locked away. Can't go nowhere. Like a prisoner, me feeling in my own house. Feel like a rat, not like a mouse. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Pull out the rhythm, Alex.